So I'm going to look at the lesson 2 for math, the problem set, and the homework. So in the problem set, it says, use grid paper to create a picture graph below using data provided in the table, then answer the questions. So the first thing we're going to do is draw on this graph. So we use the table. The title of the table is Central Park Zoo Animal Classification. That will be also our title for the graph. I am on my laptop on a touchpad, so me trying to do that would be brutal, but you can take the time right now to do Central Park Zoo Animal Classification as the title. And if you need a little more time to write that, you can just pause the video now. Okay, so down here we will have the animals. So it has birds, fish, mammals, and reptiles. That is what will go on each of these lines. Birds, fish, I will just do the first letter. Mammals, and reptiles. Okay, so you can go ahead and write all those. Okay, so then you will look Central Park Zoo Animal Classification. Birds is 6. So you will draw a circle to represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You gotta make sure it lines up. So birds is this row, this column. Fish will be this column, so you can go ahead and fill in fish, mammals, and reptiles right now. Okay. Something we also want to mention, the legend. So this circle, what does this circle represent? So each circle, so I want you to write each, again, bear with me as I try to do this on a touchpad. It's about like my handwriting. So each circle equals, so what do these circles represent? Each circle equals 1 animal. It's important that we have a legend because that tells us what we're actually looking at. So we know we're talking about animals. Okay, so we'll answer A, B, and C. How many more animals are mammals than fish? So you would do mammals. You can see here it's 11, or you could count these when you have it in. See that it's 11. And how many more means we're taking away. 11 take away fish is 5. So 11 take away 5 is 6. Okay, so you'll do B and C, and then on D, write and answer your own comparison question based on the data. So you're making up a question. You could say, how many birds, fish, and mammals are there total? You can make up whatever you'd like and then answer it. Page 2 of the problem set is the same idea. The title will come right from here. The 3 options will come from here. You're just going to have to count the tally marks instead and do it this way. Okay, so you're doing it rows this time instead of columns. You're doing side to side. And don't forget your legend that 1 circle is what I would use equals 1 animal. and then answer the questions, the same thing. And the homework is just more of the same. You'll be doing the same thing, interpreting this table onto this graph. Same thing with the titles, the legend, answer questions, make up your own. And then yet again on the next page of the homework, except you'll be doing it in rows again instead of columns. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.